Don't copy and paste all the data from all the different sheets to make one sheet with everything in it. You want to use the VStack function instead. It's going to make sure all the data is dynamic. All you have to do is type VStack and then select the first sheet and then hold shift and select the last sheet. Then we need to select our data. So select the first column, control shift right and then down. Now you have your cells selected. We want to give some extra room here and press enter. Now you have all of your data on one sheet, but the problem is we have these empty rows. So let's get rid of that. All you have to do here is wrap your function in a filter function. So we're going to type filter and we're going to copy this VStack that we have here. We're going to add a comma and then we're going to paste that VStack again and then change this to your first column. And then we're going to add a conditional. So we're going to say when it's not, nothing. And then close that and press enter. Now you have all your data in one table and there are no blank rows.